welcome. I want to welcome me back. Makeup routine has been highly requested. I mean, it's kind of, I kind of updated my makeup routine since the last makeup bit, so you know. So we're gonna start as usual. I don't wear foundation, I wear concealer. This one is from Floma. It has makeup on it, it's dirty, but it's from Floma and it's perfect coverage liquid concealer. The upgrade from cheap bold concealer to actually some actual brand. Upgrade, I'm telling you. Alright, now we're gonna blend it as usual. I didn't damp this by that shit. Should have. I think I'm going to damp this. I'm coming back. Okay, I damp my concealer. Look at it. It's fat now. Yeah. So we're going to go with another layer of concealer under the eyes. Alright, and just there. So now I'm setting with my, it's a setting powder from Nude by Nature. It's an Australian brand. Because since I started setting my foundation, not my foundation, but like my concealer in this case, my makeup really does stay a lot longer than it used to. Of course, my forehead, because it gets oily very easily. I like this angle from down from what I'm seeing in the mirror because it makes me look like Ariana Grande. People actually sometimes tell me I look like Ariana Grande. I sound so full of myself right now saying that. And Angelina Jolie. I actually do believe it. Do I sound so full of myself? Maybe. I've been told I look like Shakira. Oh, I wanted to try. You know that there's a filter going around TikTok, which is about, it gives you like the actual shape your eyebrows should be. I was supposed to try that, but I didn't. Well, I tried it once, but it didn't look good at all. This eyebrow is way thicker than this one, right? My eyebrows are not symmetrical at all. And that's what's throwing my whole face off. Yep. I think it's way better now. Yeah. I have no idea if it's symmetrical, but I think it's way better than last time. Next is bronzer, as usual. You know the drill now. I'm very scared of what's next in life after you finish school. Like, what's next? When I finished my exams, I went with my teacher, not my teacher, but the music teacher for flute and everything. When I finished my exam, I was like, I finished my exam now. Holidays. And he told me, like, you're not really in holidays, you're just unemployed now. I'm like, oh my god, yes. Okay. The makeup sponge, when it's wet, it's so satisfying to touch and it feels so good on your skin. I'm not gonna lie. I don't know if it looks different or not. I have no idea. It's always like that. I always watch like makeup tutorials how to make nose contour because I don't like doing nose contour with like cream. My only savior is bronzer. Always, I do the same thing every time. Always a different result. It's fucking annoying. It's either I'm going to have a good day or I'm going to have a bad day. depending on how my nose contour moves. It's looking way better now. What do you think? Okay, I'm having a good day today then. I'm having a good day today. Doesn't look so bad. I'm very satisfied. Yeah. Yeah, it's a good day. It's a good day today. What's next? Blush, right? So I'm going to go with blush. No, it's not my cream blush. I'm sorry. With lipstick. As usual, I go with my cream blush. You can use. Before I had my cream blush, I use either blush as a powder, or what I did use is my lipstick. I'm gonna show you which lipstick I used. No, this creaminess in blush when you use it as a cream or as a liquid blush, I think this creaminess inside with it makes it look way natural, way more natural. I think like this, I have way more blush here than the other part. Okay. I have this freckle pen. It's a freckle pen actually. I don't feel like wearing freckles today. That's it, but I used it to kind of mark my eyeliner. It's a little eyeliner, brown, and I blend it, and it doesn't look a little bit too tacky, you know. But yeah, if you do not have the freckle pen, any brown eyeliner will do. You can do your basic eyeliner. I'm going to do my basic eyeliner, but eyeliner first with the brown eyeliner or freckle pen, anything more. And then I go with the black eyeshadow, and now you just go and line it on the eyeliner. It demands a high level of concentration, that's why you're gonna be like. And the same thing on the other side. That's what I do with the eyeliner. The eyeliner is not even at all. Next is we're gonna do not the same thing down, but take black again, and I can mix it with a little bit of brown. I just mixed it with a little bit of brown, and I go here. And I go under the eye. Not too much. Too much here. Oh my god. I hate when this happens. Look at it. See, the weather, it's like shitting out my... It was just my A lock. I'm very sorry. And next you take some white and it set it under the eye at the inner corner. I use this before, I do this one before I apply highlighter here, because the highlighter sets and it pops even more when you put it here. And the lighting is so bad. I'm very sorry. I'm so sorry, the lighting is so bad. I'm trying to do it in natural lighting, but of course, I never forget the white under my eye. I never forget it. Sometimes if it doesn't take, I just have to warm it up with my hand do that. Every time, I don't have black here, but when you use a crayon or a stick, you see that it's taking a while to, you know, work its magic. Just warm it up a little bit on your hand. Here we go. And I go with black on white, white on my nose. And I use highlighter. This one is from Make Max. Highlighter. I was about to rub my nose and then oh yeah. Looking good today, champ. Looking good today. First, put highlighter in the inner corner, and I take my pencil crayon highlighter from Flormar itself. I have a lot of things from Flormar. I mean, it does make really nice things. And I go with my to shape my eye a little more, I call this thing the eye contour. Oh. The lighting today is getting on my nerves. And I was about to say I'm done. I'm not done. I take my stick highlighter for here and I just pat it down. So now I have a trick. I discovered a trick for lips. I take my freckle brush and I start to line my lips with it. Or if you have like lip liner, totally fine. See, my lips look 10 times bigger. Unless they were not actually big before I put it on, but that's another thing to talk about. Next is lipstick. This is my favorite lipstick. It's from Flormar. It's in the shade Vintage Pink. It's my favorite lipstick. It's the perfect pink. Perfect pink. I know my lips are a little chapped, but it's okay. Line again. My lips. My lips look humongous, not going to lie. I was about to say, that's it! No. It's, you know, the no makeup, light makeup filter. I thought it was named, it was called Pure filter. There's another filter which is Pure. It's not this one I was trying to do it. It's the light makeup filter I tried to do once. And I kind of nailed it, not going to lie. I kind of nailed it, but this one is just, you know. Next is the eyelashes, and yeah. What is very unfair is that my brothers were blessed with scrumptious eyelashes, like the ones you could dream of, and I have nice eyelashes as well, not going to lie. It's just, girls' eyelashes are not... I have lipstick on my teeth. I had lipstick on my teeth and you didn't never tell me. Wow. Girls' eyelashes compared to boys, there's nothing. It's literally nothing. And I have to buy a new eyelash curl because this one has been around for a while and needs to take a rest, you know. Mascara I bought from Golden Rose. Oh yeah, and my highlighter also is from Golden Rose. This one is from Golden. I had to check if my nails were dirty or not, but this highlighter also is from Golden Rose. in this thing. I saw it, I thought it was so cute. It was small. It was like 200 for 100. So I was like, oh my god, it's so cute, let me buy some. And it turned out, I think I popped my pimple. Oh my god. And I think it's the best mascara I ever bought in my life. Look at me. I look beautiful. A little bit oily, but beautiful. I've been asked once, are your lips real? And sometimes if I see that my eyelashes are not like being good enough, I put another layer. But this one, the green one, I should have put the red one first, because the red one is like, it gives volume, and this one gives length. So I should have given volume first and then gave length. I mean, it's okay. It's okay. Take my waterproof eyeliner, because as you can see, we see the underline of my eyes. I think it's done. I think I'm done with like how I look. How do I look? But here's my makeup. I think I look beautiful. I really do. I didn't talk a lot this time. Felt a little bit awkward to talk. But yeah. Let me just go around what makeup products I use. I use Makeup Max. This is limited edition, I'm very sorry. Choose Happy Shadow Quad. Yeah, Choose Happy Shadow Quad. I use Flormar's eyebrow pen, eyebrow pencil, and waterproof eyeliner. Use this white eyeliner that I bought on AliExpress. My focal pen I got from AliExpress. Eyelash curler. I don't know where I got that. Flormar's Perfect Concealer. Golden Rose High Definition Volume Intense Black Mascara, and Golden Rose itself Intense Volume Definition Lift Up Mascara. My liquid blush from AliExpress. Lipstick from Super Matte Lipstick from Flormar in the shade of Vintage Pink. And highlighter from AliExpress, Miss Beauty. No, not AliExpress, Golden Rose, Miss Beauty. What else? And my setting powder, I think that's it, right? My setting powder from Nude by Nature in Australia. It's from Australia. And my bronzer from Avon True. And yeah, my Catrice eyeshadow palette, and that's it. This is how you get this look. See you next time for the next video. I'll be uploading twice a week, Saturday and Wednesday. Wednesday and Saturday, you'll see me twice a week. And let's grow this channel, shall we? Right? Because this is a dream. You know it's my dream. You know. I'm very happy. We're happy to be back again. I see you guys next time. As usual, I know you miss me saying that. Stay safe out there. Take your precautions. Drink your water. Stop slouching. Eat your food and have fun. Do something kind. Just do something kind today and tomorrow. Just do something kind when you have the chance. Without further ado,